Okay, hey. In this let me get real with you response video to this comment from one of my followers, and personally is also a friend, right? It's a great comment singling out this GrooveFunnels, which is also sales funnel builder platform. And it came later, right? And it was officially launched in October 2020, right? And the CEO of GrooveFunnels is actually Mike Fusane, and Mike Fusane is earlier on is personally a friend and a mentor, right, to Russell Brunson. And when we mentioned about Russell Brunson, he started and co-founded the software company called ClickFunnels in 2014. That's where GrooveFunnels have some form of benchmarking, right? Some sort of comparison when they launch the GrooveFunnels. So in a way, right, they will try to eliminate the shortcomings of ClickFunnels, right? For example, pricing, features offered, ease of use, and stuff like that, right? To name a few. Okay. So in regards to GrooveFunnels, and as I mentioned earlier on the ClickFunnels, right? I have the opportunity, right? Before the COVID started, right? I have the opportunity to discover ClickFunnels, okay, in 2020, right? And during that time, GrooveFunnels isn't available yet, right? Only launched towards the end of the year 2020 during the COVID period. So I have right to substantiate, right, my response into this comment here about GrooveFunnels, that my interpretation of this comment, that it seems like it's not so well received by this user, right? Okay, but personally, I started off with ClickFunnels. I must agree that when you are a beginner, if you have chosen ClickFunnels, okay, of course now you have more choices. I will come to that towards the end of this video, right? When during our times, right, we only have choices like ClickFunnels, okay? And I have done some research, and there are some very credible write-up articles comparing GrooveFunnels versus ClickFunnels, which I have it here, okay? Which you can easily Google and find out, or even ask the ChatGPT to give you a reasonable comparison, okay? Now, so the thing here is this, okay? I have to agree that ClickFunnels, which is the predecessor of GrooveFunnels mentioned here, right? It is more difficult for beginners. Okay, so I started out with in 2020, right, when building funnels for myself and for my clients over a few years, right, before I go on to include GrooveFunnels as well to recommend to my clients, right? I do both, right? Subsequently, when GrooveFunnels was launched, right, in comparison, right, because it is a steep learning curve for ClickFunnels, which is the more difficult one as a beginner back then, right? So when it comes to GrooveFunnels, it becomes easier for me, right? And I also built many funnels, right, for myself and for my clients. Especially, I use that for my network marketing business, promoting the products or doing recruitment. Okay, so comparing the two, right? In a way, I would prefer ClickFunnels. Of course, ClickFunnels is more costly, even for their basic plan, right? They only have two plans. It's about $100 for the basic plan, and features are limited. And then the other one is the $300 kind of payment plan, whereby all the features are open up for you. All the necessary features, right? As a digital marketer are open up for you, right? Okay. So since GrooveFunnels have something to compare with, right? So they make it more attractive for you to jump ship, convert over from ClickFunnels, right? And establish very popular, very branded funnel building platform over to GrooveFunnels. They are very successful in doing that because they attract you with the pricing. However, unfortunately, they don't no longer offer the free forever plan. Okay. After a year, right, we will start with a payment plan. Okay. You can enjoy the first year for free. But after that, you have to pay about $50 a month for the basic features. Okay. Despite it's a basic features, they also offer you pretty comprehensive business features to begin with for beginners. And basically, when you are into digital marketing, you are into funnel building, right? The next thing you will really want is when you have leads coming into your funnel, you have already collected their contact information. It's not hard to imagine, right? You will want to build a stronger relationship with them. And by doing so, right, you will be following up with them. And as a digital marketer, we prefer a way of following up, which is not manual, but automated online, right? And, again, right, if you are exposed to digital marketing, that means the email marketing way of following up with your leads. So both platform in comparison, right? GrooveFunnels give you a more attractive package when it comes to the email marketing compared to ClickFunnels in terms of their payment plan. ClickFunnels is much more expensive compared to GrooveFunnels. right? So these are the two basic things. The rest, like having a blogging website and stuff like that, or even a digital store, right? Okay, all established funnel builder platform will offer you this. Will definitely offer you this. So it's more or less like, it's about the pricing now. Okay, and from me, right, to consider and recommend, right, either for my own use or recommend to my clients and my students, right, in terms of digital marketing, right, I only look at two criteria. Number one is the ease of learning it and using it, right, to run it. Okay, ease of it. It must be, not a steep learning curve. That's my first criteria. Number two would be the cost of sustaining it, right, long term, not just short term, right. So for that two kind of consideration, right, ClickFunnels or GrooveFunnels, right, unfortunately do not really pass this criteria. So fortunately for you, right, there comes along this, which is what I'm using now, system.io. Ease of use, okay, is definitely there. It's simpler to build your funnel using it, and have very comprehensive business features already all in, right. Even you're on the free plan, right, even on the free plan. The second one would be the cost of sustaining it. Okay, their most expensive subscription package is not even more than $100. Okay, and of course the paid ones, which is I'm a paid subscriber, right, is only at $17 a month. Where can you find something that not only you are offered the basic features, you also offer the advanced features on a website builder like that? So, right, perhaps it's a good thing that you don't really prefer GrooveFunnels. Then stick to system.io instead and start building on it and launch your business.